Good afternoon, student. Today I am going to teach a new topic, which is Painter's algorithm. Uh, this algorithm is also known as depth sorting method. Basically, it is deal with the depth size. That means the z size. Okay, that means if any 3D object have three axes, x, y, z, and here z will be considered as depth. Okay, in this algorithm, it uses both image space and objection. The depth sorting method perform the following basic function. Which are the function? Number 1, surfaces are sorted in order of decreasing depth. Surfaces are scanned converted in order starting with surface of greatest depth. Okay, so here is a question why it is called the Painter's algorithm. This method for solving the hidden surface problem is often referred to as Painter's algorithm. In creating an oil painting, an artist, what he or she will do, an artist first paint the background of colors. Next, the most distant object are added, then the nearer object, and so on. At the final step, the foreground objects are painted on the canvas over the background and other objects that had been painted on the canvas. So, in this case, you have to follow, there are several test cases. Okay, if it is, if the z axis is overlapped, then it will follow. You can see the first picture. Where is the first picture? In this first picture, you can see this is a test 0 case. There's a two surface S and S dash. Okay, if it is if you are viewing from negative z axis, then you can see there will be two surface. Okay, if a depth overlapping is detected, then we need to follow 4 case. Okay, first of all we will deal with this test 0. Here what happened, the z will be overlapped but the x or y axis will not overlap. Keep in mind that x and y axis will not overlap in z0, in test case 0. If it is it will follow test 0. Okay, so in this picture z will not overlap, so we will go to the next test case, which is case number 1, test case 1. In the test case 1, there is a several, if it is detected, then your overlapped with x and y axis, then it follow 4 case. What are the 4 case? The 4 cases are, first one, the bounding rectangle in xy plane for the two surfaces do not overlap. Okay, next one, surface S, if you have surface S, is completely behind the overlapping surface relative to viewing position. Okay, then test case number 3, the overlapping surface is completely in front of S relative to the viewing position. Okay, and number 4 is the projection of two surfaces onto the view plane do not overlap. Okay, so that means in the view plane you have two projection but they will not overlap. Okay, so we will, as this one is the test 0, is not satisfied test 0 because it is not overlapped with z and x and y. So we will go to the test 1. In the test 1, the bounding rectangle in xy plane of two surfaces do not overlap. Okay, so the bound here is a, in this case, is a two surface S and S dash. Okay, here the x overlapped. Okay, but if you are pointing with z axis, then the z axis is overlapped, but x and y axis is not overlapped. So here test 1 is fail. In the test 2, surface is completely behind the overlapping surface relative to viewing position. Look at this picture. Here is S and S dash. These are two surfaces which is S. You can see that S is completely behind the S dash. Okay, if the all point of S are substitute with in the polygon equation, there will be three result. One is 0, greater than 0, less than 0. If it is 0, that means two surfaces are overlapping which are the same in size. So we will not consider this type of overlapping, but we will consider with the two result, which is less than 0 and greater than 0. You have already familiar with the less than 0 and greater than 0. If it is less than, if all the point of the surface is if all the point of the surface is substitute with the equation, polygon equation, then if you get less than 0, that means the all are point at the inside the surface. Okay, if it is greater than 0, this all are the point of the outside of the surface. So in this test 2, the surface is completely behind when the all points are inside the surface. Okay, in that case you can see that S dash, if all the points of S are substituted in polygon equation, then its result will be less than 0. That means S will be completely behind the S dash, but here in this picture it is not happen. So here is a test 2 case is fails. Okay, if it is if you go to the test 3, then what happened? Look at this picture. Here is a S and S dash. These are two surface. Okay, if the all point of S is outside of the S dash, that means S is completely outside the S dash, but here is S is not completely inside the S dash. So here test 2, test 3 are fails. Okay, if it is test 3 and test 2 are fails, then we will go for the test 4. Here the projection, here is a projection, there is a two projection. Okay, one in the first picture you can see there is a two projection which is not projection are overlapped. Projection are overlapped, but the two rectangles are not overlapped. That means the projection of the two surface on the view plane do not overlap in the test case. But here is a their projections are overlapped, but rectangles are not. Here in the second one is, you can see this, here the two projection are overlap as well as the two rectangles are also overlapped. So here is the test 4 case is fails. If this all test cases from 1 to 4 is fails as well as test 0 is fails, that means you have to reorder your surface. That means you have to reorder your surface with the depth. Okay. Suppose you have an example, this one is an example. S, there is a two surface, one is S, another one is S dash. Okay. Here, here we have considered that S dash is the front surface and S is the back surface. Okay. So, if in this case you have follow, you can see that test 0 is fails because X is overlap. Test 1 is fails because Z is overlap. Test 2 is fails. Test 3 also fails because S is behind the S. S dash is behind the S, but it is not totally behind. Okay, and as well as S is totally is outside portion is viewing, is viewing, but it is not totally it is not completely not in front of the S dash. So here test 1, test 2, test 3 and test 4 all cases are fails here. So in that case what we have to do, we have to reorder our surface. That means S and S dash, S and S dash we have to reorder, and with that reorder we have to place that surface, and after that placing we have to scan, convert it first S surface then S dash. So this is all about painter's algorithm. Okay, thank you student.